The Broadbeans and the onion sets are ready to plant out up at the plot. 19 of these Broadbeans germinated, and I've got a further 5 upstairs to bring down. As for the onion sets, it was 100% germination. What a glorious day up at the plot. Spin the camera around. Perfect day for planting. Listen to the birds. Lovely stuff. This is the bed that I'm going to plant my broad beans. This top bed up here. You can see the second bed, third, and then in the distance the bottom bed, and that's where I had my broad beans last year, in that bottom bed. It's always good practice to do a bit of crop rotation, so that's why they are moving up into this first bed here. I just need to dig it over, then we'll get planting. Okay, that will do for now. I've only got 24 plants to put in here at the moment. I will be growing on a few more at home. What I'm going to do is start spacing them out in their pots, and then I'll dig a little hole, put some multi-purpose compost in there, and then give them a water at the end. Anyway, let's get to that. Time to add a bit of compost to the holes now. I'm using this, Vitax. So I'm going to take a generous scoop of compost, like that. Place it in the hole. Squeeze my broad bean pot open. Oh, it's come apart, but it'll be okay. Nestle the plant in the center there. Give it a bit more compost. There we go. First one is planted. Repeat the process. Well, that's 22 broad beans planted up. As you can see, I don't know if you can make this out, but I've tried to create a well where I've planted each little broad bean plant. And what that will do is when it rains or when I water, it will pool the water, collect the water in the center here, and give the plants a big old drink and stop the water from running off the surface of the soil. Alright, let's give them that drink. That's the beans well watered. See that little one there? I'm not sure whether he's going to make it, so what I'm going to do is when I get home, I'm going to sow another 10, I'd say, broad bean seeds, just in case I lose some of these, and they can be the replacements. That's the broad beans sorted. Let's plant those onion sets. And they are getting planted in this second bed. Right, that's the onion sets done. We'll chart their progress as the season continues and see how they get on later on in the year. Home time now. That's the first bit of decent graft I've done up the plot this year. Anyway, I'm going to call in at the shop, buy a keg of beer, and then, I don't know, probably watch some telly. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.